Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So while we all know the new travel restrictions for Canada have been announced, a lot of questions are there about its implementation and all. So I want to give you some update. Although no implementation date has been released as of now, but the government of Canada has listed the criteria for the hotels, those who want to participate in the program. And they have opened this option for hotels to register themselves, and this submission is open till Wednesday. Now, in order to be qualified as a listed hotel, as I read here, like it has to be near one of the four airports uh, through which international traffic is gonna resume. It's gonna continue, okay, and they must provide transportation from the airport, free wireless internet access, and no contact meal delivery to rooms. Well, internet access Wi-Fi, that I get in every hotel, that I have seen in every hotel nowadays. I have not seen any hotel without it. Airport transportation too, I have seen in most of the hotels. Some provide free of cost based on package, and some provide with fee. But no contact delivery to rooms. I don't know how it's gonna work. And hotels must have a process for brief outdoor breaks and report daily check-in and check-out numbers, as well as non-compliant guests to the agency. So this set of rules has been released by a public health agency of Canada. Okay, and this also includes, based on whatever they have released, like hotels will be doing the monitoring of traveler movements within the building. Okay, all right. So now the question arises that how much it's gonna help already hammered hotel industry, because if you go and see the occupancy in hotels, it's almost minimum. I have seen many people, those who worked as support staff in hotels like cleaning staff, room attendants and all, many of them have lost jobs because there are not enough work in this field as of now because of almost negligible tourism. So I don't know how much it's gonna lift, but definitely it will create some jobs, like those who are transporting people from between hotel to airport. That will be there for the people, like drivers will get jobs, no contact delivery meals, so chefs, cooks, and also like some cleaners will be required as well, because when a guest or a family, whatever it comes to there, leaves the room, that room needs to be thoroughly cleaned before it can be given to someone else. So I guess some workers will get some jobs over there, but whether it's gonna cover up a lot, that is a gray area. I cannot comment because in this COVID things are really very bad. But let's see how it works from now. And as per the released information by the government, this is gonna cost around $2,000. So let's see how it works. So I'll keep you guys updated whatever happens over here. So thanks for watching. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes into mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.